Yeah, solving simple equations. I will take other example. I think this is fifth video, part 5 of solving simple equations. Yeah, I will. Uh, the example I am going to take is 10p is equal to 100. Okay. Yeah. So solve means we have to find the value of the variable. So here the variable is p. So usually generally variables in math means those are letters, alphabet letters. So p is a letter, so this is variable here. Variable means its value changes with time. Okay, like that. Constant means this is 100 is a constant. It constant means its value won't change with respect to time. It is fixed like that. Okay, we will find phi. See, 10p is equal to 10 into p. So 10p means between 10 and p there is into is there. See, between 10 and p into. 10p same as 10 into p. Here into is there between 10 and p. Okay. Now, because of this into, okay, uh, so we can remove this 10 by dividing by 10 by same number 10. See, because we want p, we don't want 10. So when we don't want 10, we cannot simply remove. If you simply remove, that will become wrong. So to remove this, I can divide this 10p by same 10. Why I am dividing this by same 10? Because I want to remove 10. And one more thing, into, because of into is there, so you can divide by 10. If there is plus between 10 and p, that time there is no use. I mean, simplification will be tough if you divide by 10. See, we want to remove 10 and there is into between 10 and p. So, you can divide by same number 10 like this to remove this 10. Okay. Next, when you divide this side by 10, you have to divide this side also by 10. Okay. See, you have to divide both sides by the same number 10. Same number 10. If you divide only one side by 10, that will become wrong. Equation will get imbalanced. Okay. When you divide both sides by the same number 10, then equation is balanced. Equation won't change. So you have to divide both sides by 10. Now, because there is into between 10 and p, you can cancel 10, 10. P, what is left? P that you write here. P is equal to. Next, this is 100 dividing by 10. We have to divide 100 by 10. So, 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 10 ones are 10 now, 10 tens are 100. Okay? Like that we have to divide. Next, what is left? 10, this line and this one. Next step, write p is equal to 10 divided by 1 is 10 only. Okay? See, because any number dividing by 1 will get the same number 10 here. Okay? Now p is equal to 10 is the answer. This is the correct this is the answer. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So for that, First, I will write the given equation. Given equation is this. 10p is equal to 100. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After this equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So RHS means right hand side. Okay. Okay. Next, see, variable p is present on LHS. So take LHS. LHS is equal to, so this entire thing is LHS, that is 10p. So next step, write same thing. LHS is equal to, now write this 10. I said 10p means 10 into p. That means after 10 into is there. So after 10 into is there, I will write into p. Substitute value for p. So we got p is equal to 10. That means value of p is 10. So in place of p, I am going to write 10. Okay. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. Okay. One more step you have to write. So next step, this LHS is equal to, okay, 100. See, I said 100 is RHS. So in place of 100, I will write RHS. Okay. So we got LHS is equal to RHS, correct? Now see, you remember one thing. When LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. So this is the correct answer. This answer is correct because we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So like this, you can check whether this answer is correct or not. This is the process to check. Next, I will take other example. Yeah, I am going to take other example. So that I will write. Another simple equation I am going to write. So 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. So this is another equation. Okay. See, first to we have to find m. For that, first we have to simplify this. So bracket is there, your number is there. We have to simplify this bracket thing. I mean, we have to remove the bracket. Then we have to proceed to find the value of m. Okay, removing bracket means simply you cannot remove. If you remove, that will be wrong. You will get wrong answer. Okay, equation you will get imbalanced. Equation will become wrong if you just simply remove the bracket. You should not do like that. Okay, there is a process. So simplifying this, we have to, this bracket means, we have to remove the bracket. How can we remove? So here 4 is there now. So bracket means it's like into. Bracket is like into. So 4 into m plus 3, like that. So first we have to multiply 4 with the m. So 4 into m, we get 4m. Next to plus you write as it is. Next to multiply this 4 with 3. So 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so now bracket gone, correct? Bracket, this bracket gone because we simplified by multiplying 4 with this m plus 3. So we got this. So now bracket is gone. So no need to put any bracket. So is equal to 18, you write as it is. Okay. So next, so we want m. So keep this m along with 4 on one side. Remaining whatever is there, that is plus 12, you have to move this side. So in the next step, before moving this plus 12 to this side, first write this 4m as it is equal to. So when you put equal sign, remember these two equal signs should be in one line. They come in one line, one beside of the one below the other. Okay. So after this, write this 18. When plus 12 is moved this side, it becomes minus 12. That means 12 12 same, plus changes to minus. Okay. Next step to write this 4m is equal to, so 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay. Now we want m, we don't want 4. Okay. 4m, it is like 4 into m. There is into between 4 and m. Because of into and you want to remove 4, so you can divide this by 4. When you divide this by 4, you have to divide this by 4 also. You have to divide both sides by the same number. If you divide only one side, that will become wrong. Okay, equation will change. Okay, so you have to divide both sides by 4, and there is into between 4 and m. You can cancel this 4 and this 4. What is left? M is equal to, right? Now here we have to simplify this 6 by 4. Think about a number that can divide both 4 and 6 completely. Which number can divide? 2, right? So 2 can divide 4 and 6 completely, like this. 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6. 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6, correct? So next step, write this 3 and this line and this 2. So m is equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. This is the answer. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before that, write this given equation. 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. Okay. See, before this equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS. After this equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable m is present. See, m is present on LHS. So next, write this LHS. LHS is equal to, see, this entire thing is LHS. Write this entire thing is here. 4 into m plus 3. Okay. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, write 4, write this bracket. Now we have to substitute a value for m. So we got m is equal to 3 by 2. So value of m is 3 by 2. So in place of m, you will write 3 by 2 plus 3 is say as it is, and close this bracket. Okay. Next, write this LHS is equal to. Now since it is bracket is there, and this bracket is like into, so multiplication. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3, like that. So we have to multiply this 4 with 3 by 2 first. So I will write 4 into 3 by 2. Next write this plus. Next multiply this 4 with 3. So 4 into 3. So next we have to simplify. So write this LHS is equal to now. So into is there. So we can divide this 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So next step for 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. Okay, this and this line and this one. Next this plus 4 into 3. It's like 4 threes are 12. So next step for write this LHS is equal to now 6 by 1 is 6 because any number dividing by 1 will get the same number here. Next plus 12. So next step for write this LHS is equal to 6 plus 12 is 18. Next step write this LHS is equal to we have 18. So I already said 18 means RHS. So in place of 18 I am going to write RHS. So see now we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So now one thing you have to remember, when LHS is equal to RHS, so that means this answer is correct. Okay. So this is right answer. This answer is correct because LHS is equal to RHS. So like this you can check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Next I will move on to I will take another simple equation. Okay. Another simple equation that I am going to take is minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. See now we have to solve this equation. So solve means we have to find the value of the variable. The variable here is x. So the letter x is the variable. We have to find the value of that x. Okay. Before that, first we have to remove this bracket. So remove means simply you should not remove. Simply if you remove, that will become wrong. Okay. Simply you should not. But you have to follow the mathematical operations. Okay. Based on that, you have to remove. How can we remove means see this bracket is like into. It's like into. So it is like minus 2 into x plus 3 like that. So first multiply this minus 2 with x. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Next plus you keep as it is. Next we have to multiply this minus 2 with 3. Plus is already taken here. So minus 2 into 3 it is minus 6. Minus 6. But two signs are just one beside of the other. That should not be like that. So I will put bracket for this minus 6. Next is equal to this 8 you write as it is. Next step, so again here bracket is there. We will simplify this bracket. Then we will proceed to find the value of x. So write this minus 2x as it is. So bracket is like into, so plus into minus, minus 6 you write as it is. Next is equal to 8. Now so we want x, so keep this x along with this x, whatever is there that you have to keep on one side. Along with x we have minus 2, so keep this minus 2x on one side because we want x, and remaining whatever is there you move that to other side. Remaining is minus 6, you move this to this side. Okay, now before me moving this minus 6 to other side, in the next step you have to write this minus 2x as it is. Next is equal to, next this 8, when minus 6 is moved this side, that is minus 6 becomes plus 6. That means 6 will be same, this minus will change to plus, like that. So next step, write this minus 2x is equal to, so 8 plus 6 is 14. And now we want x, so we don't want minus 2. See, minus 2x is like minus 2 into x. Okay, I mean between minus 2 and x there is into is there. Because of into, to remove this minus 2 you can divide this by minus 2. Same with same minus 2 you can divide here minus 2. Why I am dividing? Here into is there, so because of into you can divide this minus 2 by minus 2 so that you can remove this. Okay, but the point is when you divide this side by minus 2, you have to divide this also by minus 2. I mean both sides of the equality sign you have to divide by same number minus 2 minus 2. If you divide only one side by minus 2, what will happen? That will become wrong. Equation will become wrong. Okay. So to make equation correct or to make equation balanced, you have to divide both sides, this side and this side, by same number minus 2. Now because of into between minus 2 and x, like this, minus 2 into x, you can cancel minus 2 minus 2. Now what is left? X, that write it here, is equal to, you write. Now just 14 is there, so just 14 means here plus is there, we have to assume like that. Now minus divided by plus is minus, and 14 divided by 2, that means you have to divide 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So what is left? My minus I have already written, because minus divided by plus is minus, or plus divided by minus is minus, both are same. 7, this line, this 1. I will write here next step. X is equal to, I will write here minus, you write like this, 7 divided by 1 is 7. Okay, see, any number divided by 1 will get same number 7. We will get same number, this number. So that's why I have written 7. Now this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. But now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. For that, so remember, before this equal sign whatever is there, this one, this is LHS, left hand side. After equal sign whatever is there, that is RHS, right hand side. Now check on which side variable x is present. So variable x is present on LHS, so you take LHS is equal to, this entire thing is LHS, so minus 2 into x plus 3. like that. Now next step, write this LHS is equal to minus 2 bracket x is there. Now substitute the value for x. So we got x is equal to minus 7. So value of x is minus 7. So in place of x I am going to write minus 7 plus 3 as it is bracket. Next step, LHS is equal to, now this bracket is like into, so minus, we have to multiply this minus 2 with this minus 7 first. So minus 2 into minus 7, okay, plus you write. Next minus 2 should be multiplied with the 3. So minus 2 into 3. Okay. So plus minus signs should not be one beside of the other. Two signs should not be one beside of the other. So I will put bracket for minus 2. Next step for LHS is equal to, we have to multiply these two, minus 2 and 7, because your into is there. So first multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. Next we will multiply this first. So plus you write. Here just 3 there. Just 3 is there. Just 3 means here plus is there. It is like plus 3. So minus into plus minus 2 into 3 6. 2 3 the 6. So two signs are one beside of the other. It should not be like that. So I will put bracket for this negative number. So next write this LHS is equal to, okay, plus 14 or just 14, both are same. Here nothing is there means plus is there. Instead of plus 14 I can write just 14, because before plus here there is no number. So instead of just plus 14 you can just write the 14. So no wrong. Next this bracket is like into, so plus into minus minus 6 you keep as it is. So next step, LHS is equal to, now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is how much? So 8. Okay. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Next step, write this LHS is equal to, 8 is what? So I said 8 is RHS. So in place of 8 I will write RHS. Okay. So now see, we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now you remember, when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. We checked that this answer is correct because we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So like this you can check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Okay. So next I will take other example. So I will just take a short break like 5 or 6 minutes. Till then you just go through this once. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. I will take another another simple equation. I will take. So next example is 5a plus 10 plus plus 4 is equal to 20. So when I say simple equation means so only one variable and this power of variable is 1. So here nothing is there means 1. That means e to the power 1. Power is 1. Okay. In simple equation there will be one variable and the power of that variable is 1. Okay. So usually in maths variable means it is a letter, alphabet letter. So here the variable is letter A. Variable is A. We have to find the value of that A. So first to this A along with A whatever is there that you have to keep on one side. Along with A we have 5. You have to keep 5A on one side. Remaining whatever is there. Remaining is this. So remaining whatever is there you have to move this to this side. You have to move this remaining to this side. In the next step, before moving this to this side, first write this 5a and this equal, next 20 write as it is. Okay. Before moving this plus 10 plus 4, before moving this plus 10 plus 4 to this side, you better simplify this 10 and 4. Simplify this 10 and 4 first, here only, this side only. After simplifying, you can move. That is best. So, I will keep this as it is. We will simplify this. 10 plus 4, this plus 10 plus 4. That here also plus, here also plus. So, you have to add this 10 and 4. So, when you add 10 and 4, you will get 14. The sign in front of bigger number 10 is plus. You have to write plus here. Is equal to this 20. Now keep this 5a. I will write 5a here because equal sign. Why I wrote 5a here? Equal sign should be in one line. That's why. Next we have to move this plus 4 to this side. Before moving, write this 20. When plus 14 is moved this side, this plus 14 becomes minus 14. That means 14 same, this plus changes to minus. So in the next step, write this 5a is equal to, so 20 minus 14 we get 6. Okay. Now, so we want a, we don't want 5. So 5a, it is like 5 into a. There is into between 5 and a. Because of into, you can divide by 5 so that you can remove 5. 5 cancels. But the thing is, if you divide this by 5, you have to divide this also by 5. That means both sides of the equal sign you have to divide by the same number. If you divide only one side, equation will become wrong. You get wrong answer. Okay, so you have to divide both sides by the same number. Now this 5 cancels. We can cancel because between 5 and a into is there and this is division, so you can cancel. So what is left? So a is equal to 6 by 5. So there is, think about a number that can divide both 5 and 6 completely. So there is no such number that can divide both 5 and 6 completely. So I will keep this 6 by 5 as it is. We cannot simplify further. So we got a is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. So this answer I will write here. So a is equal to 6 by 5. I am writing here. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS, left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS, right hand side. Okay. So variable a is present. Here it is. So this a is present on LHS. So take LHS is equal to, this entire thing is LHS. So write this here, 5a plus 10 plus 4. Next step, LHS is equal to 5, write as it is. 5a, it is like 5 into a. So after 5 into is there, I will put into. So substitute value for a. So a is equal to 6 by 5. This 6 by 5 I am going to write in place of a, 6 by 5. Next write this as it is, plus 10 plus 4. Now write this LHS is equal to, because of into you can cancel 5. 6 is left, plus 10 plus 4. This plus 10 plus 4 I have written as it is. Next step, LHS is equal to, now add, plus is there, so add all three numbers. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Next step, LHS is equal to, I said 20 is RHS, so in place of 20 I am going to write RHS. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. A is equal to 6 by 5 is correct because we got LHS is equal to RHS. So like this, you can check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.